Choosing the perfect AI chatbot in 2025 can feel overwhelming. But today, we're breaking down Chatbase, Botpress, Voiceflow, and Manychat to see which one truly stands out. Let's start with Chatbase. Perfect if we want to train a chatbot directly on our own data. It's simple, no-code friendly, and integrates well with websites. Great for businesses that want quick, data-driven bots without a steep learning curve. Next, Botpress, a developer-focused platform with open-source flexibility. We get advanced customization, multi-channel support, and powerful NLP tools, but it has a steeper learning curve for non-tech users. Then there's Voiceflow, originally known for voice bots like Alexa skills, but now an all-in-one conversational design tool. It's great for mapping conversation flows visually, making it a favorite for UX-driven chatbot projects. Lastly, Manychat, perfect for marketing automation on Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It shines when we want to boost engagement, automate DMs, and convert leads, especially for e-commerce and creators. So, which is the ultimate choice? If we need marketing automation, go Manychat. For custom conversational flows, choose Voiceflow. For deep developer control, pick Botpress. And for fast data-driven bots, Chatbase wins. The right chatbot isn't one size fits all. It's about matching the tool to our goal. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.